Hello, it's Keith again. I'm coming in to talk about the distinctive industry Touring 2 bucket seats that we've installed in the 65 Mustang. And I'm going to show you here what we have after they're installed, but I also want to address an issue that we ran into as far as the driver's going to need a little more leg room. And so what we did to accommodate that was we had to go underneath and take the seat back out, and we made some brackets that extended approximately 2 inches. So I'm going to show a little illustration, a picture that I took of it before I put the seat back in. I want to show you just exactly how we managed to get that driver's seat to come back about 2 more inches, which really gave us a lot more room. And okay, I'm going to go ahead and show the picture now. Okay, so here we go. This is the picture that I took just before I installed the seat back onto the mount. This is mounted directly to the floor. And as you can see, originally these 4 bolts right here went right into the original seat mounting holes, which is at the other end of the brackets that I've installed. Now I made these brackets, and like I said, they're approximately 2 inches long. I had to bore 2 holes in them, each one of them, and that displaced this whole mount assembly back approximately 2 inches, which turned out to be just right. So if you want to give yourself a little more length on those seats to where that you have a little more leg room, that's pretty easily accomplished by just getting a couple of, well, in this case I already had these straps of metal that were approximately 4 inches long. I had 2 pieces. And so it made it a little easier to go ahead to the drill press and drill the holes before I cut the brackets down. And so I just wanted to share that with anybody that might have come into the same thing we did, that we wanted a little more leg room with it. And so that's what we did. That's how we accomplished the leg room that we were able to get on the driver's seat. Those bucket seats now, they're very comfortable. They're designed much like the late model seats, but yet they are designed in such a way that they don't look out of place in the 65 Mustang. They're very similar in design, and they're very comfortable, and they hold you in place as you're making the turns. You don't seem to fall around as much because they have the capacity to kind of grip you from the sides. So that was a pretty good investment, I think, that we really are going to enjoy, because we like to take it out and take it on the back roads and go around the curves with it. And this way, you feel a little more confident and secure and stay in position. Of course, we have we've got the seat belts in. I put the modern type seat belts in it where it protects you in the event you had a wreck. It also has the shoulder harness in it, and it accommodated that pretty well too, even with the seats. So I just wanted to throw that out there for anybody that may be wondering how you might do it. The only other thing I can think of is it would have been nice if we could have lowered it maybe 1 more inch, but I didn't really see with the floor pan that we have, the original one, any way to do that, short from taking a sledgehammer and beating some troughs in it. I don't think I want to do that. But when you just get it back a couple of more inches, it really does help you to feel like you've got more room with your legs under the steering wheel, and you can reach the pedals, and you don't feel like your knees are in your face. So that's what we did. I'm not recommending to anybody else to do that. I'm just showing you what we did. It is one idea. It does seem very solid in there, and it doesn't seem like in any way that it would bend or whatever, but I don't want to say, because of safety concerns, I don't want to really recommend that you do it. I just want to show you what we ended up doing. And it's worked for us so far, and we like it. And so there you go. Thanks for watching. Hey, if you wouldn't mind, click on the bell, subscribe, and have a blessed day.